If your T-Mobile Keep and Switch application is stuck on pending validation, it means T-Mobile needs to verify your phone's eligibility. This process checks your phone's IMEI for compatibility, unlock status, and to ensure it isn't blacklisted. The most common solution is to upload the required documents via the My T-Mobile app. These documents typically include proof of purchase, such as a receipt or invoice, IMEI verification, which you can get by dialing 06 on your phone, and carrier unlock confirmation, like an email from your previous carrier. Ensure all documents are clear, high-quality scans under 5 megabytes to avoid rejection. If your documents are properly submitted and you're still stuck in pending validation, there are additional steps you can take. First, check the T-Mobile app for any error messages and try resubmitting your documents using the app's built-in scanner. For persistent issues, contact T-Mobile support directly via chat in the app or by calling 611. Provide your account details and IMEI for faster review. If the issue remains unresolved, a factory reset of your phone or temporarily switching to another compatible device before reattempting the process might help. In 2025, T-Mobile has rolled out a validation tracker feature to check validation status and directly chat with support agents. If all else fails, consider escalating the issue to T-Mobile's executive resolution team.